It is Saturday, so I'm about to fix my dinner. Right here I got some top sirloin culotte steak. This is American Wagyu beef, and it's from Crowd Cow, one of my steak orders. And this is 12 ounces. I'm glad they broke it up into two, because then I don't have to cut it. So I'm going to pan sear it on the stove. And with Wagyu beef, you don't need any oil, butter, anything like that, because it's already full of fat. As you see, the marbling, that's all fat right there. I'm going to season it with this salt right here. Let me see if I can open it. As you can see. And then some pepper. And then I'll come back once everything is done and put together. Okay, so I'm finished. Here is my steak with some roasted onions, 2 eggs, pan-fried eggs, some peppers, and some sweet potatoes. And then I have it on top of my kibosh Italian spinach crust. Show y'all that before. So hopefully it's good. I know it's gonna be good. And there's some guacamole. I made that a couple of days ago. So that is dinner for me. Hope everybody had a great day. Give me a thumbs up on the way in. Peace. Hello, I'm back. It's Sunday night. I'm about to prepare dinner. So I'm about to try this Wolffish from Crowd Cow, and this is the company, Niceland Seafood. They have recipes on their site, and I'm going to do their Wolffish, quote-unquote, crab balls. So these are the ingredients: lemon, green onion, Old Bay, panko, mayo. It's supposed to be Dijon, but I'm going to use that. And for myself, for my crust, I'm going to use chicharrones. These are really good. So as you can see, I already crushed mine up. So that's after I mix up the fish. Once it's cooked and I mix it up with the mayo, the mustard, the lemon juice, and all of that, I roll it in the crust, and then I pan fry it or deep fry it. If you're deep frying, because avocado oil is expensive, you can use canola oil, but make sure it's organic, expeller pressed. It has to be expeller pressed, organic. If you want a decent quality frying oil that's not too expensive. That one is more expensive than the regular canola oil. But I'm going to season my fish to cook with some salt and pepper. I already put some butter in the bottom of the pan. I'm going to put it in. And I'm going to put it in the oven and let it cook. And then once it cooks, I'm going to let it cool off. And then I'm going to shred it and then mix it. So I'll be back once I'm to that point. I wanted to come and show y'all. This is 14 ounces. That's in there. And it was like 3 separate pieces. So this is one piece. This was one long piece. And then a small piece right here. And then with my dinner, I'm going to have this rice, cauliflower, and butternut squash. My kid's going to have baked potatoes, my son and daughter. And this is the macros for it. So, and yeah, that's what I'm going to have. This is how my mix looks. I mixed everything in here. Let me see how it tastes. It tastes good. So now I'm gonna roll them in these crumbs. Get up a try. Hopefully these things can roll in the balls, because normally in my fish cakes I use breadcrumbs. So we'll see. Okay, I'm back. I fixed my fish cakes balls, fish balls, and this is with the chicharrones, the pork chicharrones. I pretty much, I mean, it seems like it tastes good. I taste a little bit of it. I don't like the presentation of it. I'd rather much I use the panko crust, but this is how they look with the chicharrones. I did deep fry them because I don't have an air fryer, whatever you want, and I wanted that crispy, crunchy. Then I have some microgreens, got a little bit of onion in here with some guacamole on top, and then I have my cauliflower butternut squash. This is how the fish balls came out using the panko crust. Much better presentation. But I wanted to keep it on keto, and these are the breadcrumbs that I use, so they are organic. Breadcrumbs, everything I use is organic for the most part. And also with these two, I did add these breadcrumbs into the mixture because it's a binder. I had to put mine in the freezer to make them hard because I didn't put any breadcrumbs in mine. So they was much more better. They thicken up a lot more with the breadcrumbs in them, these right here. And I was just able to drop them in without maybe 2 of them broke up. But yeah, I had to put these in the freezer because there was no binder in it to hold them together. And so, yeah, you would need, it's really messy. You would basically drop your mix into the breadcrumbs or the panko and roll it around and form it as you rolling it in the panko crust. Put it in your oil. So, good night and see y'all Monday.